Okay, so these two chapters focus really on an introduction of what multicultural education is. And so it starts with a discussion of the difference between race and ethnicity. Race is not a real thing, and ethnicity refers to a person's ancestry, whereas cultural diversity is all of these different cultures that are combined together and can also factor in different subcultures. Chapter one then goes into discussing the roots of multicultural education. Historically speaking, there were three major things that started before multicultural education, and it started in the 20s and 30s. First, it was intercultural education, then intergroup education, and then the civil rights movement. And all of those had major impacts on multicultural education as a whole. It wasn't until really later on that multicultural education was accepted in education, and it is based on three theories. The first is the ethic of care, the second is the sociocultural theory of learning, and then the third is education for democracy. The goals of multicultural education are to attain equality and equity, eliminate the achievement gap, and develop responsible and empowered citizens. There are five dimensions of multicultural education: content integration, knowledge construction, equity pedagogy, prejudice reduction, and empowered schools. Chapter two then goes into a discussion of culture and talks about culture, then explicit culture are things that you see, and implicit culture are things that are kind of hidden. And then it really talks about the three levels of culture. Level one are the artifacts, again, those things that you see. Level two are the customs and practices, really the behaviors of a culture. And then level three are the shared values, beliefs, norms, and expectations, which are, again, a part of that explicit culture.